Hey everybody, it's Christine. It happens to be Thursday. I'm at my Twilight open house. I'm located at 34311 Venice Beach Road in Summit. I am excited about this property because it has water access rights to Upper Nemaben. On days like today when it is 90 plus degrees, this is the type of property you're looking for. Along with this 3-bedroom, 1-bath Cape Cod, we have almost a third of an acre that is beautifully landscaped, and it gives you a lot of opportunities for outdoor space, fire pit, patio area, actually 2 patio areas, and you have conveniences to the expressway, but you have your bit of country living as well. So if you're interested in swinging by, I'm here until 6:30 today. The address is 34311 Venice Beach Road, and if you'd like a private showing, just send me a message and I'd be happy to make those arrangements. See you soon.